there they are, new from Dairy Queen for this month. The flavor is a new one, the Triple Truffle, which makes me think of, what was that one called?
Chocolate candy shop?
Chocolate candy shop. They were like little, it was ridiculous. They were like little candies you'd see like in a box of chocolates, but they're like this big. And they were in there, and they were like caramel and all these other flavors, and that's what this is. I think it's like caramel, truffle, like a fudge type of thing, and peanut butter. So this looks like it can be good, and we shall dig in. It's a blizzard in here. What was really cool, though, while we were waiting, not when we were waiting to go pick up our blizzards, Bob's Burgers was on. They had burgers there. So it was kind of funny and cool. Teddy was being silly at the moment. But anyway, let's try this. I'm excited about it when I first saw it. I think I saw the announcement like yesterday. I'm like, ooh, tomorrow, can't wait. Or today, this morning. Time has been slipping. Slipping into the future. Ooh. Ooh. That was a peanut butter one. Ooh. That was a peanut butter one. Ooh! That was good. That was peanut butter. Oh, just ice cream. But it tastes good. For what you can see, maybe. You know, it's got the swirls like vanilla and chocolate in there. Here we go. Let's see if I can... Yep, it makes me think of that chocolate candy shop. So they're just calling it something else. But do you see it? They get it good? So there's little candies. And they're going to have those flavors. It's basically, it's that. It's that again. Oh, that was a good... The caramel, it's like running... Oh, that hit. I love that idea when they first did it. When they did it. Like 1 year, years ago, then they did it again, and then it was a long time they did it, then they did it again, and then it's been like, what? A super long time since they last did one. Keep bringing it back. It's delicious. It's a nice chocolatiness, and I just love those little candies in there. It's very unique. It's so weird. It's like they're the littlest... you saw that. They're the littlest of freaking chocolate candies. And you're like... You can see a little bit. Kind of bumped there. It looks like it's got bug eyes or boobs hanging out or something. Chocolate boobs or something. There's a little... You can see that one's fudge inside. Got a shot? How's that?
Looks like it's focus.
That's a good fudge right there. Oh, yeah. Oh. Look at that. Each bite is just amazing. You get a different flavor of something in there. So I'm excited about that. Oh, look at that. That is in there. Perfect for Valentine's Day because they're like little box of chocolates. And it's so cool how they do that. So the triple truffle, the trouble with truffles, more troubles, triple truffles, tribbles, double whatever. It's great. Go get it. Go try it. Let me know what you think. I feel like it's kind of a quick one, but it's good stuff. So good job, Dairy Queen. You brought it back in the form of this. It's delicious. Thanks for watching. Go check out other food reviews, gnarly foods, gnarly eats, whatever. Like and subscribe. We also do, like, obviously, mostly toy reviews, movie, show reviews, and board games. So, and we like to dabble in the food reviews, so, and other crap. See you next time. Stay gnarly, my friends.